Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and what I'm going to show you now is another project kit which is called the Tag Buffet Kit project kit. Now out of this kit you can make 30 tags, and I'm going to show you the tags that you can make. It comes in this lovely box, and then inside you get your tags, all different types of tags on the tops, and then you get your die shapes to cut out, then your labels to stamp on, and also your thread. So again, this is a brilliant kit for kids to make up, and I'll just show you. So you get your full colour photographs of what the tags are to look like. And here are the tags, and they're really big, which I really like. So you've got that one there, that one there, that one there, so you've got baubles, stockings, a bird, a Christmas tree, some leaves and holly, and presents. So there you go, they are your tags, and I've stamped on the front, and then I've also stamped on the back as well, to and from. So this is the stamp set as well to go with the bundle. But if you've got other stamps that you want to use, you're quite welcome to, but there is a stamp set to go with it if you wish to purchase it. Right, let's start making some tags. Oops, drop that one. Now the colours I've got are Shaded Spruce and Real Red for my ink pads. Now if you're new to Stampin' and you didn't want to buy the full sizes of these ink pads, in our beginner's brochure we have some ink spots which have the two colours that I've just mentioned, so you can purchase the assortment of ink spots, and then you'll have the colours there to use. It's entirely up to you, but as I say, I'm using the my versions, my big versions. I just need a stamp. Let me get a bigger one. Try that one. Right, so we shall begin. So the first one I'm going to do is the "'Tis the Season" with the stocking, and that's the stars. So these tags, they've got actual stars cut out as well. You can see little cutouts. And then the holly. So that's the holly. There we go. Then the next part is the stocking, which is there. Let's move that out. And then we need a little flag tag for "'Tis the Season." There we go. I just need to put this together now. So let me stamp on there, "'Tis the Season," which is there. So the stamps are photopolymer. You can, there we go. Just ink this up. So if you can see my head, I just want to make sure I'm on there right. And press it down, and then there we go. And put those over there. And I'll use my tear and tape just to put the stocking on. Need my pokey tool. Just get backing off. It's much easier with a pokey tool to take the backing off your tear and tape, especially if you haven't got any nails. I'm going to put that there. You can just pop that there. You can have it offset a bit. Again, I use my tear and tape, just stick it on. Let's do about there, I think. Before I put all this together, I'm going to put my to and from on the back. Do 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 do. Backing off so you won't be crackling all the time. To that. Again, I'll do this in my shaded spruce. 2. And then from just using the other side of my block to stamp, and there we go. Let that dry for a little bit. I just need to get my threads. To find where the beginning is. Maybe that. Should be enough. Be a little bit too much. That should be fine. Use my scissors. And then we can put it together. And it's as simple as that. I'll put my loop through there. And there you go, that's the first tag. I say, I really like the size of these. Sometimes with tags it can be a little bit, it depends on the gift and everything, but sometimes it can be a little bit too small. These really stand out, and they've got gold foiling on them as well. Right, we'll do the next one. So the next one I'm going to do is the, you can see that there, is the Merry Christmas with the parcels. So again, it's going to be the stars as the background. And then it's the gold dots. Now we want the parcels. Well, it's a pretty miserable day now. I went for a walk earlier and it was a nice autumn walk, walking in the leaves, but now it's turned pretty miserable. So a good time for crafting. Right. Use my glue this time. Don't need an awful lot. And pop it there. Now the next banner is the Merry Christmas. So you've just got your blank banner pieces. Just take that off. That's what I normally do with my stamps, is put them on top of blocks while I'm working. And then sometimes I can't find them. Give it a good ink in and there. Press it firmly. And there we go. And that is another one. Now what I'm probably going to do with this is I'm going to use some dimensionals and just raise it up at the back. I'll leave that to dry a little bit. I don't want to smudge it. So we'll do is to and from on the back as well. On the front. Let that dry. And, I'll get some dimensionals. These are the mini ones I've got. Can't find my normal size ones at the moment. They're somewhere on my craft desk, but I don't want to spend too much time looking for them. We'll just work with these ones. I'm feeling they're going to come off the end. There we go. Trying to pull something off there that isn't there. Never mind. Right. Stick that on there. And then we'll get the thread. push that through. And there's another one done. I've just put those off over the edge a little bit more than I should have done. So there you go. So that's how easy it is to make your tags. Now if you like this kit, there'll be a link below where you can purchase this in the shop. And on my next video I'm going to be showing you cards using the other stamps in the stamp set. So we've been using the sentiments, but I'm going to be using the actual stocking and the ball and the leaves and holly leaves and things. So you get the most out of this particular stamp set when you purchase it. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.